Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Fit rear wiper. First, gather your tools like a new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver, if needed. Make sure you have the correct replacement blade for your specific Honda Fit model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer for you. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm to detach it. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. To complete the process, it's important to test your new wiper blade. Turn on your rear wiper with some water on the window to ensure it operates smoothly. Check that the blade makes full, even contact across the entire glass surface. Confirm there are no streaks or missed spots, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.